When you're managing your monitoring, you'll eventually run into this question. Should I pause this test or delete it? They sound similar, they're not. Let's start with pausing. When you pause a test, it stops running. No checks, no alerts, but everything else stays exactly as it is. The configuration stays, the alert contacts stay, and importantly, the historical data stays. So pausing is ideal if you're doing maintenance, temporarily taking something offline, or retiring a staging environment you might want to bring back later. Now, deleting is different. When you delete a test, it's removed completely. This includes a configuration and the historical uptime data. It also frees up that monitoring slot in your plan. There's no undo button. So here's the simple rule. If you might need it again, pause it. If you're completely finished with it, delete it. Using the right option keeps your monitoring clean without losing data you may need later.